These are the breathing tubes. If you see this one, these are the breathing tubes. This is the breathing system. This is the swasa. So you take the breath from here and it goes into the air, nose and throat and windpipe and the breathing tubes, and finally they go to alveoli and the oxygen will mix with the blood. This is the thing. When there is obstruction, this process will be affected. So if you take the example of the same breathing tubes, so normal breathing tubes look like this, and affected breathing tubes, whether in children or teenagers or adults or elderly, they become like this. Whatever you see here, the red thing is the allergic inflammation. And the allergic inflammation, why the allergic inflammation comes? Because if the person inhales pollens or dust mites or anything, then the allergic inflammation starts. Infiltration of the inflammatory cells under the respiratory mucosa, and this gets reddened, swollen and edematous, and that secretes a lot of mucus which causes obstruction to the airway. And this inflammation in turn will constrict the airways, so that air will not move further, and there is a compromisation of the diameter of the airways. This is the normal. And in affected persons, particularly in severely affected asthma people, it is like this. Now our intention in asthmatics to make them like this. We have excellent treatment now available in the world. So where we can make the breathing tubes which are like this to this one, and we can open the breathing tubes now, and you can have a free breathing. So whatever. Here in Hyderabad, the Swasa Allergy, Asthma, Special Care and Research Clinic, our main motto or main aim of my life is to make the people breathe, freedom to breathe. That is the aim of my life. So we are committed to this, that we are providing freedom to breathe. Whoever they come physically to our clinic, and whoever they consult online, and whoever they can meet us, you can go through my website, which is www.swasa.com, swasa.com, swasa.com. If you go there into that one, then you can find yourself. So you can diagnose your asthma, you can diagnose your snoring problem, you can diagnose your own smoking problem, you can diagnose yourself, and where you are exactly in the process of the disease, you can know by yourself.